Alright, so it's Wednesday night. I got this package. I was gonna film on Sunday so I could set up the backdrop because I know everybody likes it when I film outside and I have the nice backdrop, but I cannot wait. I'm too excited to see what's in this package. So I'm just gonna do it tonight and yeah. Is it too much to ask for? Alright, what's going on everybody? Broke here back again with another project, and today we got another mystery box. And I am so gassed, right? I am so excited to dive into this box because this is the most expensive mystery box that we've ever opened on the channel. And I have a really good feeling about it. So before we get into this box, as you can see right here, it says at V2 Deals. That is who I got it from. Actually, a subscriber, I think he's subscribed. So actually, a subscriber, someone who watches the videos, reached out to me on Instagram, and his Instagram is at V2Deals. Right here, you can check him out. And he asked me if I wanted to buy a mystery box from him. He said he can put together anything from $50 to $1,000. And so we've already done $100 mystery boxes, $200 mystery boxes, and so I wanted to, you know, step it up a notch. So I asked him to put together a $300 mystery box, and that is what we have right here. All right, so let's just Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. He said to be careful while opening it, and he said he included a list of values, a list of every single item and the value in here, just for the whole comparison thing. I'm actually excited because when I picked it up, it has some weight to it, so I'm hoping that there's gonna be some good stuff in here. We got okay, here's the first look. I always give you guys first look. I'm gonna pull out the it looks like there's a lot of stuff in here, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, well, I don't want to see the items yet, but right there it says thank you for shopping. I will say that this guy, V2 Deals, he seemed very professional when I was talking to him on Instagram. He's very professional. You pay him through PayPal, so you have the buyer protection, everything like that. So we're gonna go through this, we're gonna see the value that we get, and then at the end of it, I will talk about if I think you should go, you know, check him out if he's a good person to be buying mystery boxes from. Alright, so the first item we got right here is 2 Supreme Tees in this Ziploc bag. Okay, so I really appreciate him putting each shirt in Ziploc bags that'll really keep, you know, the shirts protected through shipping and everything like that. I took a little whiff of the shirts and they do smell like laundry detergent. So that tells me that they are washed, so they're probably used. So I don't think these are dead stock. But the first tee that we have here, first Supreme tee right here, it says it gets better every time in a size large. I don't know the value of these. Should I just refer to the list? Alright, so here is the V2 Deals price evaluation. He included the prices that he believes these are worth. And so up on the counter, however, I don't know where the counter is. Let me make space. Alright, so I'm really hoping that this is focused, but I made some space. So somewhere over here is where the counter is going to be. And so I'm going to be reading off the prices that he has these listed for, but the counter is going to be the prices that I got after I researched the products myself through StockX, Grail, things like that. So the prices that you see on the counter are the prices that I'm comfortable selling these items at. So yeah, right here is the first tee in a size large. He says that's about $50. So next is another large Supreme tee in green. This one has a pretty cool design. I do like the big Supreme across this one in red. So that one is pretty sick. Unfortunately though, they're both larges, which are not my size because I wear a size medium. I don't know if he has a bunch of different sizes, and I should have told him that I was a size medium before I ordered the box. But it's really fine because if it's not my size, I'll feel like selling them instead of keeping them. So this one is, I don't know which one this is. This might be the Groups tee. It's either $60 or $70. The next one we got, also in a Ziploc bag. The next one we got is another size large. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he made this box assuming that I was a size large, which is, it's alright, it's alright. So the next one we got is in black. This one looks like it might be the Bombay. So right here we got another Supreme tee. This one is, I think this is the $60 one in black, also a size large. Next we got a polo. Oh, this is kind of sick right here. Oh, Jesus. a size large. No, oh man, none of these are in my size. All right, so next we got the Supreme Corner Arc logo polo, which is in black, and it has that Arc logo going right up the middle. That is, and it's embroidered. That is so freaking gas. Oh damn, this embroidered Supreme is super gas. It feels really good quality. Long sleeve polo right here. He has this one valued at $150, which seems pretty accurate to me. Next we got items in this one too. Alright, so first, another large t-shirt. All of them are in size large. We got the Guts tee, another $60 here in white. That one is size large again. And it seems like we got some little items in here. So we got a couple of Supreme stickers right here. So this is an interesting sticker because it has a signature on the back. I'm gonna have to look more into this. So 4 stickers right here. That's pretty sick. Next we got 2 bear bricks. You already know I got a couple bear bricks up there. I got the gold one from Bait. Here are the 2 bear bricks. You can get a closer look. These are about $10 each. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Moving on. What are we at right now? We're at 120. And we have one more item right here in this paper. Oh my goodness! I went to the store and all I got was this cereal box. Cactus Jack, the Travis Scott Reese's Puffs. I was literally just talking to Noms about the Reese's Puffs, the Travis Scotts. He told me that they had them in Walmart, which I didn't know. I didn't think they would be coming into Hawaii, but I guess they did, and I totally slept on it. They're probably sold out by now. But it's alright because I guess I got my box right here. Dang, that is crazy. Alright, so far it looks like we have a pretty good value going, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug his Instagram right here. You're gonna go check out V2 Deals. He'll do mystery boxes from $50 to $1,000. You can go pick it up from him. Super professional, super cool guy to work with. I recommend checking him out. It looks like he's gonna be giving good values in these boxes. So let's roll a quick cinematic of all the items that I have, and when I get back, which will probably be a different day, I'm gonna break down the prices, how much profit we're gonna be making, all that good stuff. We'll roll the cinematic. Your coat, by the way.
Are any white hands on anything?
No.
Well, look close.
No, you look great.
Should
I hope you enjoyed that cinematic. Okay, so yeah, it's a different day because like I said, I had to film because I had to see what was in the box. So now I got the prices down, and I think our total is $365. I think total $365. There it is. Someplace above Isaac's head. The box is a $300 box, but I don't remember how much I paid for shipping.
a lot.
I think I paid a lot for shipping. I think I might have just broken even on this box, but technically, oh my god, bro, calm down.
Put the back of your chair on.
This is why I prefer filming in my room. Well, so $365. I guess technically if this is a $300 box, I made about $65. This guy says value of box equals more than $400. I don't think he's too far off. I think, keep in mind, I have to sell these used because they smelled like detergent. Maybe brand new they'd be pushing $400. Well, the most expensive item in this was this. He had it valued at $150. I think I'm just gonna keep this, to be honest.
I don't want to say it. Everything else is going to be sold on Grailed. Or if you're living in Hilo, you can go into his Instagram, KylerFujimoto.com,
Cool. That's not
and
nice.
DM him. This is the Grailed account right here. Broke White Project.
And my Instagram is what?
Kyler something. I don't even know.
Kyler F03. DM me there instead if you live in Hilo.
03.
And all of these will be for sale. They're all size large, unless Isaac buys all of them because they're in his size. I would say though that this guy is very good to work with. The only problem is that if you live in Hilo, shipping is expensive. So for all my mainland, especially my California people. I think he lives in California. I don't remember. You might want to go hit him up. He'll give you some good stuff in these boxes.
Bad deals.
So go check him out at V2 Deals. The Instagram handle's right there. Hold up his Instagram handle. There it is. V2 Deals. Check him out. He's a cool guy. Very professional.
Also, next giveaway, 250 subs. So subscribe, and whoever subscribes the most gets it.
Yeah.
Hope you have a great week. And I'll see you next time or something.
That's all I have for this video. Hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.
That's all I have for this video. See you next week, and have a great time.
And have a great time.